Ladies and gentlemen, if you want 2026 to be just another year, do nothing. But if you want 2026 to become the turning point of your life, then listen carefully. Because this year does not need luck, it needs intentional action. Your life will not change accidentally in 2026. It will change step by step, choice by choice. Step 1. Decide that 2026 is non-negotiable. Before strategies, habits, or goals, there must be a decision. Decide that 2026 is not a trial year. Decide that excuses will not enter this year with you. Decide that comfort is no longer more important than growth. Say it clearly. 2026 will be different because I will be different. When you decide, your brain begins to search for solutions. Without a decision, motivation fades. With a decision, discipline is born. Step 2. Cut off what drained you in the past. You cannot carry the habits of your old life into your new future. Look at 2025 honestly. What wasted your time? What drained your energy? What kept you stuck? In 2026, reduce mindless scrolling. Distance yourself from negative voices. Stop over-explaining your dreams. Quit habits that steal your focus. Growth requires subtraction before addition. You don't need more time. You need less distraction. Step 3. Build a daily structure, not just goals. Goals without structure are wishes. 2026 will become powerful only when your days become intentional. Create a simple daily system. 1 hour for learning. 1 hour for execution. 1 hour for health. 1 hour for reflection. Success is not created in a year. It is created in consistent days. Small actions done daily will outperform massive plans done rarely. Step 4. Master one high-value skill. In 2026, income and impact belong to those with valuable skills. Do not chase everything. Choose one skill that solves a real problem, has digital demand, can grow with experience. Whether it's communication, content creation, AI tools, sales, coding, or personal branding, commit fully. Spend 2026 becoming undeniably good at one thing. Average in many things creates struggle. Excellence in one thing creates opportunity. Step 5. Take care of your body like it's your business. Your body is not separate from your success. It is the engine of your future. In 2026, sleep becomes a priority. Movement becomes daily. Junk habits become optional. You cannot chase big dreams with a tired body. Energy creates discipline. Discipline creates results. Step 6. Fix your financial direction. Money is not everything, but lack of direction with money is a silent stress. In 2026, track your expenses. Build an emergency fund. Learn how money works. Create at least one extra income stream. Don't aim to be rich overnight. Aim to be financially intelligent for a lifetime. Control money before it controls you. Step 7. Change your environment. Your environment shapes your identity. In 2026, clean your physical space. Improve your digital space. Curate your social circle. Be around people who talk about growth, ideas, and solutions, not complaints. If you want a better life, create a better environment. Step 8. Learn to sit with discomfort. The best version of you is waiting on the other side of discomfort. In 2026, do what feels difficult. Start before you feel ready. Speak even when your voice shakes. Confidence is not built by thinking. It is built by doing. Growth feels uncomfortable because it means you are expanding. Step 9. Reflect every month. Do not live 2026 on autopilot. At the end of every month, ask, what worked? What didn't? What needs improvement? Reflection turns experience into wisdom. People who reflect grow faster than people who just react. Final step. Become consistent, not perfect. Perfection delays progress. Consistency creates transformation. You will miss days. You will feel tired. You will doubt yourself. But if you keep showing up, 2026 will reward you. Not because you were perfect, but because you were persistent. Closing message. 1 year from now, you will look back at 2026. You will either say, I wish I had started, or you will say, 2026 changed everything. The choice is not in the calendar. The choice is in you. Start today. Start small. Start disciplined. And step by step, make 2026 the best year of your life.